How to put Threads link in Instagram bio. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to put Threads link in Instagram bio. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we first need to do is to head over to Threads right here. And then after that, you can see your profile right there. If you don't see that, just click on this profile icon on the bottom and you will see your profile. Then after that, you need to get the link of your threads. So to do that, just click on share profile right here. And it will open this. So just copy the link that is presented to you. Then after it has been copied, head over to Instagram. And as you can see, here's Instagram. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right here. And from in there, you can see the icon of threads. So that just means that threads account is already connected to your Instagram. But if you want it on your bio, what you need to do is to just click on edit profile right here. And then from in there, you can see your bio right here. So you can see the links. So click on links right here. Click on add the external link. And then paste in here the URL that you have copied earlier. Then add here the title. Let's add in threads. And then click on the check mark right here. And it will save like this. So after that, just head back. And then refresh it. And as you can see, there's one other. So let's click on the link right there. And you can see your link for the Threads account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to put Threads link in Instagram bio. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!